So you've lined up your camera and you've spotted a picture. One of the murals of the undertones from the past. Thought it would be quite interesting, only for the fact that somebody decided to sit down, somebody else walked into the frame. And this is where Photoshop comes into its best today, because without any hassle, you can remove the distractions. In this case, I thought it did a reasonable job. So if we go up to the tool that we've got to press, the one we're going to remove is this little one here, looks like a band-aid. And what it will do, it will easily remove distractions such as objects, people, and imperfections. And I have just clicked this button. I'm going to give you the result. So the result, in my opinion, is acceptable. Photoshop has come a long way from the days in which we used to struggle for hours trying to create an image that at the end of the day we shouldn't have bothered ourselves. Today, it's all done for us. So if it's there, why not use it? Thanks for listening, and I hope that this little video will whet your appetite and get your creative juices flowing to produce images that are all quite acceptable. Thank you.